Hi, I'm Brad Phillips, owner of Phillips Law. We're a criminal defense firm here based in New Orleans, Louisiana. So if you're facing criminal charges, especially something minor, especially if it's a first-time offense, maybe you've heard somebody mention a diversion program. Probably wondering, what is that exactly? Do I qualify? What happens if I do qualify? Let's talk about it. What is diversion? Diversion is a program offered by the district attorney's office in whatever parish you're charging that basically equates to a second chance. Instead of going through the full process, court, trial, risking a conviction, some people are offered the opportunity to complete certain requirements in exchange for having the charges refused, dropped, or dismissed later. Think of it like this. If you do what the DA's office says that you have to do, they're going to refuse, they're going to throw out the case against you. Big takeaway, you will not have a conviction. What kind of requirements are we talking about? Depends on the charge, depends on the parish. Typical diversion requirements are probably going to look something like this. Community service, counseling, maybe anger management, substance abuse. If there were damages, perhaps paying restitution. Definitely need to stay arrest-free. And big thing, drug testing or rehab if that's part of the issue that ended up being something to do with what got you in trouble. Usually there's a supervisor, an administrative fee you're going to need to pay to go through the program itself. There will usually be cost associated with it. Maybe range from a few hundred to a few $1,000s. There usually is no guilty plea on part of the diversion. Diversion doesn't require that. That means you're not convicted, you're not sentenced, and if you complete the program, the charge goes away and it stays away. The charge never gets accepted, makes you eligible most of the time to get the arrest expunged, keep your record clean. It's not probation, it's not a conviction. You will not have anything on your record. Who typically qualifies? Generally, you're going to qualify if it's a first offense, or at least it's your first one in a while. It's a nonviolent offense, no serious victim impact, and the DA's office has an active diversion program for your type of case. That being said, I've had clients offer diversion for things like low-level marijuana possession, marijuana distribution, theft, shoplifting, sometimes simple battery, underage drinking, resisting arrest. The list goes on, but it's not automatic and it's not always advertised. Sometimes the reason diversion is even on the table is because we pushed for it, because we fought for it. What if I mess up while I'm in the program? That's what you don't want to do. If you don't finish the requirements or you get arrested, you get kicked out of the program for any reason, at that point, the DA can bring that case back against you and you'll be right back where you started. That's why when you hire us, we're with you until you're done. So if any of those issues come up, we can be there to help get you through them so you don't get kicked out of the program. Bottom line, it's important to take the program seriously and do everything that they require. Why does this matter? For a lot of people, diversion is a lifeline. Gives you a chance to fix your mistake, fix your bad decision without having to carry a criminal record, a criminal conviction, a felony conviction in a lot of cases for the rest of your life. It means you keep your job, you keep your housing, you keep your school opportunities, financial aid, you keep your future intact. If you're a current client and you're wondering, hey, do I qualify for this? Call us. We'll walk you through your options. Never hurts to ask. The worst they can do is say no. If you're not a client yet, but you're facing charges and thinking, I made a mistake, but I want to fix it the right way, give us a call. We can help. Our number is 504-395-8867. Call us. We'll talk for free and let you know what options you have. We'll let you know whether diversion might work for you. We'll give you the benefits. You got one shot at handling this the right way, and that's what we're here for, to help get you through it. Thanks. Call us if you need us.